let's create a basic pie chart and know when to use them. Here's a rule of thumb for pie charts. They're for composition and not comparison. You only use them when you're showing parts of a whole totaling 100%. So if you have 5 categories or more, or if your numbers are very similar, consider using a bar chart instead. But if you have 2 to 5 distinct categories like survey results or market share, the pie chart is okay to use. So here we have customer satisfaction and the customer feedback and the counts from these individual surveys. This is a perfect candidate for our pie chart because it's a part of a whole relationship with fewer than 5 slices. So go ahead and highlight your data, go to your Insert tab all the way at the top, and then we're going to want to go over to Charts and select the 2D pie. We'll select 2D pie as it's easier to read sometimes than the 3D. So looking at our pie chart here, we have just our legend down here, and it's kind of hard to read. So you can go ahead and click this plus tab and remove your legend. And then if you click the data labels and go to data callout, it's a lot easier to read here. So now we have our very satisfied, neutral, dissatisfied, and it's a little bit easier for us to see. Another thing we can do is go ahead and change our title here. So we'll say customer satisfaction. And a pro tip for your presentations, you can take these individual pieces and then pull them out for highlighting specific visual parts of your pie chart.